Do women experience hormonal changes during the menstrual cycle? What is the impact of the perfect body culture on sexual self-image? Hello to all lovers of psychology and sexuality. Today, we will unveil the sexual curiosities of women. If you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss our future videos. Also, leave us comments and share your experiences in the section below. Let's get started. Yes, women experience hormonal changes during the menstrual cycle. Estrogen and progesterone levels fluctuate throughout the cycle, affecting sexual desire, vaginal lubrication, and other aspects of sexual response. The perfect body culture can have a negative impact on women's sexual self-image, as it can create unrealistic pressures and expectations. This can lead to insecurity and dissatisfaction with the body, affecting self-esteem and sexual intimacy. Diversity of sexual orientations. Sexual orientation is diverse and goes beyond heterosexuality. It includes orientations such as homosexuality, bisexuality, pansexuality, and many others. Each person has their own unique orientation. Dry orgasm and prostate health. Men experiencing dry orgasms without ejaculation may do so due to prostate health issues, such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Consulting a doctor is important in these cases. Effects of pornography. The consumption of pornography can have varied effects on people. Some may find that it enhances their sex life and intimacy, while others may experience negative effects such as erectile dysfunction or relationship problems. The key is balance and moderation. Ejaculation. Time. The average duration of male ejaculation is about 5 seconds, but it can vary significantly from one man to another. Erectile dysfunction and performance anxiety. Performance anxiety can contribute to erectile dysfunction in men. Fear of not being able to satisfy a partner can negatively impact erectile function. Erotic dreams are common and can trigger sexual arousal during sleep. Sometimes, erotic dreams reflect sexual desires or fantasies. Evolution of contraceptives. Throughout history, contraceptive methods have evolved from rudimentary practices to more advanced options like birth control pills and intrauterine devices. Exposure therapy is a technique used to treat sexual anxiety problems, such as erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation. It involves gradual exposure to sexual situations to reduce anxiety. Fantasies and role-playing. Anal sex is often incorporated into fantasies and role-playing. Exploring shared fantasies can enhance emotional connection between partners. Female orgasm and the clitoris. The clitoris is a highly sensitive organ that plays a central role in the female orgasm. Direct stimulation of the clitoris is key for many women to achieve orgasm. Fetishes are atypical sexual interests, including a wide range of objects, body parts, or situations. Fetishes are common and can be a healthy part of a person's sexual life if approached consensually and safely. The frenulum, the strip of tissue connecting the glands to the body of the penis, is highly sensitive and can be a source of pleasure during sexual activity. Generosity. Being generous and willing to help others can be a very attractive quality. Health effects. Female orgasms can have positive health effects, such as reducing stress, improving sleep, and relieving menstrual pain. They can also strengthen pelvic floor muscles. History of condoms. Condoms have a long history dating back to ancient Rome, where they were made from animal intestines. Today, modern condoms are made of latex or polyurethane and are an effective means of protecting against STIs and unwanted pregnancies. Humility. Humility and the ability to admit mistakes and learn from them are attractive traits. Influence of pornography. Pornography has had a significant impact on sexual expectations and sexual education for many individuals. It can be a source of inspiration, but may also create unrealistic expectations about sex and relationships. Intense gaze. An intense and penetrating gaze can be attractive, suggesting confidence and emotional connection. Carezza is an approach to sexual intimacy that focuses on emotional connection and mindfulness rather than orgasm. This practice promotes prolonged and deep sexual relationships, based on the idea that controlling arousal can strengthen the connection between partners. Late sexual awakening. Some individuals experience a late sexual awakening in adulthood. meaning they develop a heightened interest in sexuality after years of little or no interest. Male and female sexual response can vary significantly. In general, men tend to experience a longer resolution phase after orgasm, while some women may experience multiple orgasms without a refractory period. Masturbation in the animal kingdom. Masturbation is not exclusive to humans. Some animals, such as primates, dolphins, and certain birds, also masturbate for various reasons. Masturbation. Masturbation is a common way for both men and women to experience orgasms. It is a healthy practice that can help individuals learn about their bodies and sexual preferences. Mixed orgasm. Some women experience mixed orgasms, which are a combination of clitoral and vaginal orgasms. This can be highly pleasurable and satisfying. Multiple orgasms. Some women can experience multiple orgasms in a single sexual session. This means they can reach climax several times in a short period without the need for a refractory period, which is common in men. Sex phobia. Gynophobia is the extreme fear or aversion to sex. It can be debilitating and is often related to past traumatic experiences. Sexual therapy and counseling can be helpful in overcoming this phobia. Sexual fantasies are a normal part of human sexuality. They can range from romantic situations to bolder and more experimental encounters. Sexual positions. Variety in sexual positions can enrich sexual life. Experimenting with different positions can help couples discover what they enjoy most and increase fun and intimacy. Sexual therapy for hypoactive sexual desire disorder focuses on addressing the lack of interest in sex by identifying emotional and physical factors that may be contributing. Sexuality in Kama Sutra. Culture, the Kama Sutra, an ancient Hindu text on love and sexuality, provides a detailed insight into sexual positions and erotic techniques. Despite its fame, the Kama Sutra promotes a balanced view of love and pleasure. Smile. A sincere and kind smile is attractive to many people, as it is associated with kindness and empathy. Spirituality. For some women, spirituality and the search for meaning in life are attractive qualities. The association between sex and creativity. Some studies have suggested that sexual activity can stimulate creativity and problem-solving. The release of dopamine and oxytocin during sex may enhance cognition. The effects of pornography. Consuming pornography can impact a person's sexual life and expectations. Some find it to be a source of inspiration, while others may experience issues related to addiction. The influence of the moon. Some people believe that the moon's phase can influence libido and sexual behavior. Although lacking solid scientific evidence, this belief persists in some cultures. Human sexuality is a fascinating and diverse field that never ceases to amaze us. Sexual curiosities unveil the wonderful complexity of the human experience in the intimate realm. As we explore and understand these facts, it is crucial to remember that each individual is unique in their sexual experience. Respecting and communicating with your partner are the keys to a satisfying and healthy sexual life. Sexual education and understanding are essential tools for fully embracing our sexuality.